Hello friends, welcome to the one shot revision series by Learnzilla. In today's video, we are going to learn all the important diagram based questions. This is exclusively for class 10 ICSE biology students. Let's get started. This is another important question in the chapter chemical coordination in plants. The diagram given alongside shows a type of tropism. Study the same and answer the questions that follow. Name and define the type of tropism shown in the diagram. As we observe the diagram, this is the diagram showing the fertilization process, right, in the ovule. So, name and define the type of tropism shown in the diagram. What is the tropism? What is happening from here to here? The pollen grain after fertilization starts growing into the pollen tube, which travels along the style to reach the ovule, right. So, this process is called as chemotropism. What is chemotropism? Movement of plant parts towards the production of chemicals. The response is the movement growth of the pollen tube, but what is happening? The ovule is producing certain sugars and peptones, which are chemicals, which is attracting the pollen tube towards us, right. So, movement of plant part towards the chemical stimulus is called as chemotropism. The part, label the guidelines 1 to 4. 1 is pollen grain, 2 is pollen tube, 3 ovule, and 4 is ovary. Name 2 effective stimulants that help in the growth of part 2. Part 2 is pollen tube. What are the 2 stimulants or chemical substances that are helping in the growth of the pollen tube? Sugars and peptones. Name 2 groups of plants where part 2 grows towards gametophyte with the help of the stimulants mentioned in C. Okay, in which category of plants or group of plants is this happening? It takes place in case of gymnosperms and angiosperms. Angiosperms are the flowering plants, right? So, this is one important question from tropism, which is part of chemical coordination in plants. Let's see one more. So, the next question in chemical coordination in plants is, study the diagrams given below and answer the following questions. So, in this the 2 diagrams are given A and B. Name the structure as shown as X and Y in the figures A and B respectively. So, what are the structures? X is stem tendrils, right. X is stem tendrils and Y is leaf tendril. B, write the functions performed by the structures X and Y. Functions of X and Y is stem and leaf tendrils enable the plant to climb up a support. For climbing plants, tendrils are very helpful in climbing. Name the phenomenon depicted and define it. The phenomenon is thigmotropism and it is defined as the growth movement of plant parts in response to touch stimulus. How do the structures X and Y differ from each other? Stem tendrils arise from the stem, while leaf tendrils arise from the leaf. E-bit, give examples of the plants which show the said phenomenon. So, common examples which show thigmotropism are sweet pea, vines and cuscata. Thanks for watching this video and do like, share and subscribe if you find this video useful to you, and also share it with your friends for whom it could be useful, and do subscribe our channel for more such useful learning content. Please visit our website learnzilla.in where you can practice online quizzes which have important MCQs for your class 10 ICSE biology exams. Chapter wise we have uploaded MCQs. You can absolutely try it for free. And do check the biology playlist for chapter wise important questions, especially the diagram based questions also are being uploaded. Thank you children. Keep learning and stay blessed.